Welcome to Response AI, your automated solution to refine your message before you buy. Spending on political advertising is forecasted to reach $17 billion in 2024, up from $6 billion in 2016. With such saturation across the marketplace, it has never been more crucial for campaign creatives to ensure your candidate's message is on point. But creative testing often takes too long and costs too much. This means many campaigns forego the testing process and go with their guts on a message that resonates well with internal audiences, but fails to capture a wider swath of the eyeballs you need to win your campaign. Not all messages resonate with all audiences. Sometimes, a message that hits home with your core constituency can alienate a movable middle that is crucial to winning. In a complex environment with so many attributes and issues to talk about, it can be hard to zero in on what really matters to voters. Response AI brings you an automated solution to test creative messages capable of targeting either the general voting public, specific constituencies, or by party from the federal to local levels. Our proprietary methodologies in commercial ad testing and product claims analysis allow us to leverage the issues and attributes of the candidate that matter the most. With benchmarked scores, you can see instantly how your creative stacks up against other political ads. Plus, it's a quick turnaround, typically less than a week, often just 2 or 3 days. So, how does it work? Simply choose your target audience, plug in your desired sample size, upload your creative, and select your target audience. Using our proprietary communications efficiency model, we score each ad on 7 dimensions, from clarity and differentiation to its ability to motivate the voter to take action. The survey measures both initial awareness of the candidate or issue and the change in perception after exposure to the ad. This methodology can be used to test a single ad or to evaluate a series of different creative treatments to help you pick the winner. Our second methodology is called MaxDiff. It is a powerful statistical technique used in the commercial arena to help pick the winning tagline or product features that resonate best with consumers. You can use MaxDiff for several scenarios: to identify the most attractive attributes of the candidate, to rank and order the issues, or even to test arguments for or against a ballot proposition. Let's turn to the example of Joe Holland's campaign for New York Attorney General. The resignation of Governor Cuomo caused Republican primary voters to zero in on personal integrity, equal enforcement of the law, and reducing government red tape. That was what they wanted to hear from their candidate. Several of Joe's personal attributes were big parts of his story, but they weren't going to get him through to the general election. MaxDiff analysis was able to succinctly depict this in the early days of his exploratory committee's work and allowed them to focus his message accordingly. Here is just a small sampling of the powerhouse pollsters and creative agencies that have used our services. Your clients trust you to get their message right. Let Response AI bring you the insight to refine the messaging before you place the media buy.